Let's see how to edit your photo using your Android mobile. Hi Sabis, this is Edit Like a Pro. Download this background eraser app from Play Store. Using this app, remove your background quickly with accuracy. Use this auto option to erase the similar area. Reduce the amount to decrease the erasing area. Use this repair option to recover the area. Select the manual eraser and erase all extra portions manually. Use this BG color option to change a transparent color. Make the edges too smooth. Save this image and go to the Picsart. Download this Picsart application from Play Store. Download this background image from description link. Subscribe this channel Edit Like a Pro and click bell icon for video notifications. Import that background erased image and place it at a perfect position. We have to show a shadow effect on front side because of lighting set on back side. This is for darken the lower edges. Apply the darkness only to the legs by these methods. To show a light reflection, we have to pick and brush the same color at the edges. Download this image from the description link. Now save it and share it to the Adobe Lightroom. Get this Adobe Lightroom application from Play Store. Follow the steps as shown here and change value depends on your image results.
Let's go.
Subscribe this channel Edit Like a Pro and click bell icon for video notifications. share your edits to us. Group link in video description. Thank you.